hei hi kovela Thlawhna Hmasa ber lo tling taka an Thlawh Chhuahna hmun ani a runway Hmasa ber te pawh ati thei ome u naw lar em the Wright brothers kha hemi hmun nge atang hian an lo thlawk chhuak ani voin hian Wright brothers national memorial kan thlawh dawn ani kan lu hma in hemi national memorial omna hi ka han soilok anga hei hi US a East Coast Khochaklam East Coast North Carolina state a Outer Banks anti huna ani a lai hian kan zina Outer Banks hi Atlantic tuipuikam Thliarkar Island ania island hi asinin asei khop meya tria vutlang le tuipuikam moi tak te a oma a mingthang hle a Outer Banks show ti te po kha in lo sia anga chuan movie lar tak Nights in Rodanthe po kha ta an lo siama movie dang lar Hunger Games te Secret Lies of the Beast ti te po kha North Carolina chanani a he Wright brothers national memorial hi kan han lu tanga hei kan han lu rual hianin December ni som pasari sangkha zakwale pathuma Thlawhna thlawk Hmasa ber sha rengna thalak kan hmala hei mishingina thil ni theilo tura ngai kha an u naw hian an ti lot linga ro pui ka tia chuwang chan voina po hianin lo hetiang lam aviation tuitan amu nam karinga wang in kaloda a ta hian hei making the impossible possible ti po lo in tarani an inspiring khop mai chuan hei kan ka zela an u naw chan chin hi he ta hian alawin ziaka hei a chung kwa atangin alawin chan ani a india an nu le pa Milton le Susan Wright te wanga lo tling an ni anin ti ni a chan chu an fa te thil hria du zong le an hmason na konga an lo ko mu thin ti alawin ziaka heta in ziaki hei orvila phei chuan apa chungchanga soin kapa hian thil engkima afa te hi zalen takin eng subject poni semin soipui thin ati hialani
hei hi amain kalau chiara coin toss hi chu first flight and flight Hmasa ber tur kha tunge pilot ni zo khang ti kha anin chu lo ni chu coin toss an nei a chuanin hey we tossed the coin and decided who should have the first trial and the or villain mo so wangin hey December ni som pasari sangkhat zakwale pathuma khan flight Hmasa ber chu an nei ta a en tu pon nei lawan ti engamo media te tu man omlo helai local mi pathum li thala tu pakhat kha oma on bok dau to pani kha an turu khop mai so ta poi sangkhat chuang an practice an ti khanin I no pangkhan mu se ka ti 1000 practice ma key to success an ti top Wright brothers how khan practice tamai zia kha pon lama hianin I kalang u ho what is it live to see 1903 fly aircraft that went to the moon hang item here Neil Armstrong and Akengani too. These items were carried by Neil Armstrong on the Apollo 11 mission. Wood fragments from the 1903 flyer's left propeller. Original ani chumo. Wright brothers they na an Thlawhna siam piece ani so chu it looks like Neil Armstrong took it.
That's part of the wing fabric.
Yeah, the wing fabric. Yeah.
Mom, there's a...
That's so cool.
Yeah, those went to the moon, right?
That went to the moon, and Kenga, and then from the moon it's back to the museum.
What's that?
These are some of the, look, come and take a look at it. le hei tuna pon lama kan chuaka hei hi an Thlawhna Chhuahna hmuna kan va pandon ani. They taught us to fly till impossible an unaw hianin kang hun lai phei chuanin impossible an achieve ani chu. Oh, where? All the way there? Eh. So I didn't know that. Fly chua masak bera chuan 190 na chuan an Thlawhna a top ani chu. Chuan a voi ni na tu ti chuan marker a in da zel a voi thumna. So tlai mi so chu a voi li na chuanin an thlok sang to khop mai an engine kan. So wangin rau pui le mai hei aviation lam ngai sang tan phei chuan li hi airport masaber ti don la diklo nga runway masaber Thlawhna engine nei helai tang hianin an thlok chuak ta ni chu. What's this? Home away from home. Oh, so they built a little thing. They lived and worked here during their 1901, 02, 03 testing seasons. So the reconstructed building in front of you depicts the Wright brother. Hey, so basically, he temporary home. He flight well and conduct like in temporary home he. Tahian and Siama, hey, Tahian and Omani and Unawin. So originally in Ohio and Omta, but Helai Mun Kitty Hawk, Outer Banks and Thlawhna Chanchu, Hang Lai Munahian in Pakat Ma Omlawa Hang Lai Pokhan in Chubangchuan. Experimenti nan kan rem Emma Tit Athona Salutuk Bokamo Helai Mun hi Outer Banks hi Chubangchuan in perfect place. Anga an ngai ani karing tahan Commemoration December ni som pasari sangkhat zakwa somni pariat khan helai atanga an Thlawh nu kum somni panga a hian mi tam tak asang tel ta hianin an local khom ani chu hemi mun birthplace of flight airplane lo Chhuahna mun ti in tuna po hian mi tam tak sang chuangin heta tang hianin helai motor hian an local tree na intia hey chukro Naomi look come chuan hei hi an runway chu ni chu helai tang hianin is this the original wood? No.
That was 123 years ago they did that.
Chuan kan hma khianin an Wright brother memorial kha omta a he ta hianin launch rail and dolly helai kha sen veka oma wang khanin runway khami Thlawhna launch na tur kha 60-foot wooden rail ta hianin an lo siama mo he ti hian wooden rail khanin an push ta he ti an hei hi
That was like a 3-pack.
an flight masak per na chu ni chu ta hianin lo in ziak boka the first successful flight of an airplane was made from this spot by Orville Wright intia helai hmuna tak hianin Thlawhna successful taka luang taka a Thlawh Chhuahna hmun ani hi alawin ti ni rau pui le mai hi runway masaber chu ni mayang chu kami engine flight an try masak ber kha second som pani chau a thlok ani hi 120 feet an pilot chu kami first flight an pilot kha Orville Wright ani a hei hi an tum masak bera hei hi an tumna ani chu one marker tian an lo mark thlapa a thui vak lo ni chuan kal ze langa hei hi second flight top na about 12 seconds distance to tam to zo ka football field ang chen chu an thlok man ni hi mo chuan third flight po hi Orville abok in a Tlawh ka hei 15 seconds a rei deuh hleka fit zani a Tlawh ka hei hi Thlawhna an Thlawhna helai hian a tum ta a voi li na chu kal ve mana va thleng ve shim shimang hai min tlan sana ka tlan ve a blai kan min tlan sana oh your mom's running too so học ra về tia tia exercise cho ta cái tired them huh ai mo
I'll go there in 20 seconds in 3, 2, 1
good need him to get tired lom te về xe kan ti khop mai no ma ti don lu tok
Luke, go farther.
tiang vel museum
He's tired already.
ti vel ka mo hi chan
Already
lom
tired.
te no ma ti ngo tang hi ka ti ve sia hei kan pathum chau hianin khi lai tlang lai an monument la chanin kan va chau do na niลูกก็ยันพลานไปอินวิดีโอกันละดูเตียอ๋อละรอน1 2 3เคยอาเฉาทะเวครับไหมอาทางชีพมอนิเมนต์จูกันแข่งตาคู่ตะจังอ่ะหมูเนนใจนังเราเดาเราเลียนลุดตุกกันอมนะ point ที่ outer banks ให้elevation สร้างแบบนี้ตัวเยลันจวนมอยลุตุกเฮ้แต่ให้ลูกไอ้ข้าละไอ้กับอุ้นข้าลักสักลูกอะไอ้โพสน่าสักขอบไหมหนวมไงไหม